Maths is a very interesting and very nice language. It is a language that helps us decipher the world. It is a language that helps us put a different perspective into things we are seeing. We can discuss all day long if something can happen. Yeah, I know the example of Santa Claus and Star Wars are extreme and non-logical and so on. But what if we used a similar logic to other things that makes us wonder? We shouldn't be afraid of maths. We should be embracing them and saying, oops, it's a tool we can use. It's a nice language. There is so much misinformation out there that can be avoided if we simply learn how to use maths. Let me give you a very current and up-to-date thing. Was it 3 weeks ago, I think, that the UK started vaccinating against COVID-19? And 2 days after that, 2 or 3 days after that, there were 2 health workers that showed allergic reactions. And there were big headlines everywhere about allergic reaction to vaccines, which prompted some people who unfortunately don't understand science, don't like vaccines, to say, ooh, vaccines bad because people got allergies. The correct approach to something like that would be, okay, let's see how many people got allergies against how many people that were vaccinated. And let's see now what the prevalence of allergies is in the general population. If I'm not seeing a difference between these two things, then why am I worrying? And the only way we can continue doing things like that is if we simply take over this thought process. Now, I'm not saying you should be doing this with everything, but I think it is about time we kind of stopped the if, what if this happened, what if that happened, and started thinking about how things can happen. I think it is a very interesting approach. Now, having said that, don't do this thing with everything. Don't go to the supermarket to get a pack of potatoes and start thinking with equations whether this pack of potatoes is better than the other pack of potatoes because one contains more potassium than the other one. It will drive you a bit crazy after a while. But still, I think it's a nice way that will help us realize how helpful maths can be.